सन्ततमहं कुञ्जरमुखं शङ्करसुतं तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे सन्ततमहं दन्तिसुन्दरमुखं मदकान्तकसुतं तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजेऽहं 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 भजे तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे सेवितसुरेन्द्रमहनीयगुणशीलं सेवितसुरेन्द्रमहनीयगुणशीलं जपतपसमाधिसुखवरदानुकूलं भावितसुरमणिगणभक्तपरिपालनभयङ्करविषङ्गमा तङ्गकुलकालं श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे
Karavali Group of Colleges, which made an impressive entry into the field of professional education in the year 1996 by introducing the first university-affiliated design course in India. Since then, it has registered trailblazing track record of success. With a continuous success rate in almost all its courses, and placement for students after completion of the courses, the college today attracts students from all over India and also from foreign countries. Karavali colleges provide highly innovative, skill-oriented, university-affiliated courses which empower the new generation to get right career break in these fields. The institutions not only provide students with quality education, but also groom them to face life with confidence. Excellence in education is the driving principle at Karavali colleges. No effort is spared in providing students with a focused academic environment which nurtures complete development of personalities. Our college has registered continuous superlative performance by successively bagging maximum number of university ranks. Karavali Group of Colleges have 4 independent owned campuses at Kottara Chowki, Womanjur, Neermarga and Bangalore with more than 40 courses which include Karavali College of Interior Design and Fashion Design, Karavali College of Hotel Management, Karavali Institute of Technology, Karavali College of Pharmacy, Karavali College of Nursing, Karavali College of Physiotherapy, Karavali Ayurvedic Medical College and Research Center. I am glad to announce about GR Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, established in 2022 with multi-speciality services and high-end infrastructure. GR Medical College, Hospital and Research Center stands apart amongst all the medical colleges in Mangalore because of its unique topography, connectivity and persistent leadership in medical training, healthcare for common man. The college is leading provider of medical education in the country, integrating highest standards of academic excellence with ethics and spirituality, and providing health care to the society. I would now request Ms. Fatimat Ismat Shana to welcome the gathering.
Good morning, one and all. It's my proud privilege to stand before an auspicious gathering to welcome you all on behalf of GR Medical College and Karavali Group of Colleges on this occasion. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, on this memorable moment. Now I request Mr. Adarsh to garland our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao, sir, as a token of our love and respect. We welcome you, sir. I would also like to welcome our dignitary, Srimati Lataji Rao Ma'am, Director, GR Education Trust. Ma'am has always been a support to this Karavalian family with her ever-smiling face and has motivated us in every way for activities showering her endless blessing on us. Now I request Miss Harshita to hand over a bouquet as a token of love and respect. We welcome you, ma'am. I would like to gracefully welcome Dr. Shrisha Kandige, Dean, GR Medical College and Research Center. Dr. Professor Rajendra Prasad, Principal, Karavali Institute of Technology. We welcome you, sir. We welcome you, sir. Professor Zishan SM, Administrator, GR Education Trust. We welcome you, sir. Mr. Anil Nair, CEO of Ramakrishna Ayurvedic Medical College, Bangalore. We welcome you, sir. Dr. Professor Raghuchanda, in charge of academic activities, Karavali Institute of Technology. We welcome you, sir. Dr. Professor Ravi Kumar, Principal, Karavali College of Pharmacy. Dr. Mohan Naik, Principal, Karavali College. We welcome you, sir. Dr. Prasita, in charge of Karavali College of Physiotherapy. We welcome you, ma'am. Dr. Professor Bhiman Gowda, in charge of Karavali College of Nursing, present here for the celebration. I welcome the teaching fraternity and non-teaching staff and the one directly and indirectly concerned. I welcome the press and media who have come here to witness the celebration. A warm welcome to all the students of GR Medical College and Karavali Group of Colleges, and welcome you all.
As we proceed, we have come to the most important aspect of the inaugural function. It is with great honor I would like to call upon Srimati Lataji Rao Ma'am, the Director, GR Educational Trust, and our Honorable Chairman, respected Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, founder of Karavali Group of Colleges, to inaugurate and mark the beginning of today's function by releasing the pigeon. Of our chairman, sir. Being futuristic, he could foresee the changes in the environment. Enterprising, spirited, and ever-smiling person, chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, Colleges, is a classic example of hope. His struggles and achievements have been richly rewarded, has earned a fair share of them, and dynamic leadership has won widespread appreciation and of his extraordinary services in the field of education. The influence of his vision and dreams permeates through every activity of ours.
Respected Director of the entire group, Madam Lataji Rao, Dean of prestigious GR Medical College, Dr. Shrisha Kandige, Administrator of the entire group, Professor Zizan SM, Principal of Karavali Institute of Technology, Dr. Professor Rajendra Prasad, another hero from the principal, Dr. Professor Raghuchand, Principal of Karavali College of Pharmacy, Dr. Professor Ravi Kumar, CEO of Ramakrishna Ayurvedic Medical College, Shri Anil Nair, in charge of physiotherapy, Dr. Prasita, in charge of Ayurveda, Dr. Divya Jyoti, Professor Mohan from Karavali College, and in charge of Nursing College, Dr. Bhiman Gowda Patil, all the respected members of the faculty, media friends, and naturally, the last but not the least, the beautiful, handsome, pleasing, disciplined, my dear students. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the organizers, all the principals and students, for conducting this inter-college competition Kaizen. As you all aware, it is conducted on account of my birthday. Why only on the day of birthday? That is the question. I always celebrate my all happy moments with my students and staff members. For the simple reason, I'll be happy only when you smile. It is not only a small get-together at the afternoon and lunch. The entire day, all the students will be competing, will be enjoying, will be dancing, will be eating, will be clapping, will be smiling. Celebration of life. Why only chairman sir should celebrate? You also have the right to celebrate because you are, after all, my great students. Competition, whether you want or not. The entire life is competition. KG class में शुरू होता है. KG class teacher will say, twinkle, twinkle, little star. So I don't know the latest, so many things. Every mother will be tired of motivating, molding that kid. To the last day, 80, 90, 100 years, I don't know. You will have problem. You have to take care of the family, business, profession, retired life. Then what is the solution for this? Solution is today's function. If you take the inner meaning of today's function, it is not only the competition, along with the competition, the enjoyment. The meaning is very simple. We should learn to enjoy every moment of the life. Most of the time what happens is a repetition for the seniors, but still I am proud to repeat that. It is a naked truth and a fact of the life. We bother much for so many things on the wrong moments. When we are in a happy mood, we think about so many other unwanted things. For example, always I quote, sports day, students complain, sir, back pain, I can't walk. Sports day comes only once in a year, unless you are a sports person. That days you have to enjoy, freak out, run, jump, at least clap, scream, make some noise. Today afternoon we have arranged definitely delicious, healthy food, both non-veg and veg. Don't say stomach pain, I can't eat. Eat, your age permits you to eat. When it's a time to dream, you have to dream. If you don't dream in this age, after 60, my dear girls, if you dream, no reply. Dream. Boys, this age, if you don't perform, if not anything, clapping, screaming and supporting, I am sure you will perform. But usually it's unfortunate, girls always have upper hand in all the competition, not only in the education, not only studying. But I always stand with boys. Boys, clap. Not because of the appreciation, because of the sympathy. Anyway, coming to serious part of it, my dear students, every college, the colleges, especially professional colleges, should be the platform for the future life. If you look around, national level or international level, what is happening? People get employment, everyone has good salary, car, bungalow, infrastructure, mobile, everything is there. What is lacking in life is happiness. Why it is lacking? Not because we don't have happiness in our life. As I told, every moment is happiness. Now you listen my speech carefully, that gives you happiness. Next, when dance happens, forget about my speech, you enjoy the dance. When it's the time for the food, don't worry, eat. Kitna kha sakte utna khao. But don't eat when you become professionals. Don't take bribe. The problem with us, we are suffering with the superior complex. I am a doctor, I am an engineer, I am an officer, I am a physiotherapist, I am a designer. What about others? They are also professionals. Try to understand and give respect. Respect is always mutual. What is happening in our political system, globally or nationally or state, if you take, we try to divide the people, Hindu, Muslim, Christians, Congress, BJP, Janata. Politics is not bad, but some politicians are bad. All the politicians are not bad. No system can be bad by itself. It is our capacity to mold, motivate, and deliver the required things. So such functions should be platformed. Tomorrow in your actual life, today if you are friendly with your classmates, I am sure you will not divorce. Because you know how to balance the friendship. You know how to adjust. Adjustment is a key for success. The person who cannot adjust cannot survive in the life. If I say everything should be like this only, I have to suspend all of you. But last 26 years, I have not taken action against any student. How come? We also adjust. How we adjust? Instead of punishing, we motivate you, we mold you, we threaten you. Sometimes false threatening is also there. So that everyone is coming in the track. That is known as a constitution and legal system of India. We fail to understand a small family, a college, a state, a nation, an international level, there is a system. Again, system is legal system, religious system, social system, so many other things, caste system, language, so many things are there. Who will be successful? If you take the international level, most of the CEOs of multinational companies are Indians. Why? Because of this atmosphere. Indians are ready to work hard. Saturday, Sunday is not a holiday. Especially US doctors and nurses are doing extremely well. Need not be only US, all the developed countries. Because our Indian doctors, our Indian nurses are, now trends are changing, hope and expect trends will not change, are prepared for a hard work. They consider it as a seva, service. Plus, naturally little extra money so that they can back their family in India or they can lead a fruitful life. What is happening in a developed country? Saturday, Sunday compulsory holidays. They don't care for anything. It is an artificial enjoyment. Enjoyment should come from inside. If you think you are happy now, you are happy. If you think this is a punishment, kitna time chairman sir baat karenge? It is a punishment. It all depends on how you think. We should be positive, productive and constructive. Wherever you are, enjoy that moment. 1,010 times I told you, even media people, it may be repetition. But I won't mind to repeat it. When you are traveling in a bus, enjoy that bus traveling. When you are traveling in the train, enjoy that. When you are traveling in the train, my friend went in a flight, I might have gone. You are not enjoying. When you are traveling in a flight, all the friends have gone in a train, I might have also joined with them, I might have enjoyed. Don't be pessimist, be optimist. Starting from morning, early morning, till night. In between, God comes. If you want, if you wish, I will not make it compulsory. Believe in God. Whichever God, all the God is same. There is only one God. You call it Rama, Allah, Jesus, Krishna, Mukunda, whatever it is. I am not bothered. See, your parents call in all the pet names. Some students have 4 or 5 pet names, especially when you are kids. Muddu, Putta, Kutta, Katta, Kalla, everything they say. There is only one kid and one mother. God is also like that. God is like mother. You can call her in any name. Whether you are Hindu, Muslim, Christian will not be a barrier. Whenever you suffer, remember God. And compare yourself with a person who is suffering more than you. Maybe people in the street without house, without food, without shelter. We always compare. I am not like Dhirubani Ambani. My cousin is in US, she is a doctor. My friend has a Benz. My neighbor has something else. Are yaar, Bhagavan itna de diye. Enjoy that. Be happy within whatever God has given. When you have that head weight, I am so and so. I am a big man. I don't want to tease anyone today. It's a birthday. Otherwise, I might have teased someone in my stage. Let me not do it today. I am a big man. Head weight. Well, naan yaar gottunta? Adu naavu helbeka. Others should say. If I say I am a chairman, why I should say? You don't know? Freshers, some students may not be knowing. This may be the first function. Other people should talk about us. This so-called self, that egoistic problem ruins the life. End of the day, you have education, you have a professional degree, you have employment, you have beautiful husband or wife, you have 1 or 2 kids, you have flat, you have car. Are you smiling? No. No work only. These are all drama. Nobody is that busy. Nobody is Tata Birla. Even Tata Birla is not looking at phone. It's a professional administration. Whenever a guest comes to my cabin, media friends also know, I speak 15 to 30 minutes. They say, sir, how come? You are so busy, you have so many colleges. I said, I am not constructing the building. I am not plastering. I am not painting. I am not taking class. I am not maintaining accounts. There are people for that. We have to trust if required. Sometimes we have to motivate. Sometimes we have to threaten. To bring the people to the framework. So, Kaizen is enjoyment. Kaizen is a competition. You apply it to your life. Compete wherever you go. Whether you are a nurse or a doctor or engineer or designer, hotel management, pharmacy, nursing. Physiotherapy will not make any difference. The purpose of the life is to be happy. If you ask me one more question, if you compare my own college, having regards to everyone, who is the happiest person? The average staff who gets a small salary is the happiest person. He or she irons and comes neatly. As the facilities increases, it is not a blame, it is the entire world, not only my college. Take IAS, IPS. They are very much unhappy. They have all the facility, government gives everything. End of the day, if you listen their stories, you are watching the media, two ladies, how they are quarreling each other, dirty and shame on their face. Recently, Mangalore, one police officer was transferred for his dirty act. I don't want to even repeat. It is so dirty. Why? If the facility people can enjoy, if the salary and position and government car with red light, if people are happy, why all these things are happening? It is only our attitude. Attitude makes difference. A beggar in the street sometimes happier than us. Why? He is not having expectation. 3 बार मिलते, किसी ने देते, नहीं देते भी सो जाते. So my dear friends, at least with this, I want to see happiness in your face. They are busy searching for a chair. Like a political system, getting a chair is difficult. Once you sit there, you will not leave that chair. But you should know the chair is given to perform. So students always remember that. Otherwise what happens? Most of the time, you watch anywhere, I am not telling all are like that. I am talking about only 1% people, those who are not happy. 99% doctors are happy. 99% engineers are happy. Why you should be unhappy? 99% media friends are happy. Always try to be happy, dignified, and don't blame others for your failures. If at all you are failure, in any area, including examination, including personal life, including the employment, including self-employment, including financial management, including recognition, if you could not get a chair, it is your failure. You can't blame others. It is not the parents' job, it is not the God's job, it is not the government job. If you are successful, definitely it is because of you. We can't say because of chairman you are successful, because of principal you are successful, because of parents. No, it is you. It is your commitment. With these few words, as usual, my dear friends, I expect to get some sound from all the sides. Can you make some noise? Overact, if you are over smart. I don't know, from the morning I have been noticing. Let me stop with this. So last offer, express your happiness. Stage aliddavar sameta. Before concluding, hardly they speak English. He was speaking Kannada. It is okay. I don't comment about the language. Language is also a media of communication. You speak in any language, all the languages are great. He told something. Kannada students laugh. A lot of Malayali students were there. They could not understand. After they stopped the clapping, then Malayali students started clapping. Without knowing why Kannada students clap. Same situation today our boys are having. Girls are clapping and they take little time, 2 blades. And these boys, this minister was little annoyed. He thought students are insulting. Never it will happen in KARAVALI College. But he thought, he is a politician. Then he told one story. I will conclude this speech with that story. It is in Kannada, I will translate. Sadhakanige kelasave arama. For the achiever, rest means working itself is a rest. He will be working. For the lazy people, keeping quiet and keeping quiet itself is a work. Now choice is yours, boys. You want to belong to that category? Say no or yes. Then make noise here. Clap. See, this is the installment again. This is the installment. Wait. See, my position is like Amit Shah. Every time he is telling clap, you have to voluntarily clap. Or maybe some Congress leaders. Let me not bring politics here. Voluntarily, all the organs should work. Doctors are here. Be careful. Hand, mouth, body. Neither no problem. Today no punishment. Don't worry. See, now it is a full. It is full. And all the principals and teachers, please note this. This is very bad trend. This was not in my college. 9:30 means 9:30 they should be here. This is the exact problem in India. Nobody is bad. Somebody should say, do this. That is the reason Swami Vivekananda told. Give me 4 or 10 boys, youngsters, who have that energy, who have the capacity to change the world, who can motivate, mold, and deliver. Students, I expect all the Karavalians should be like that. Brave, brilliant, extremely well, tolerable, acceptable, admissible. The present education system, otherwise I am telling only you will be employed. You will get money. When you will be enjoying your life, when you will be human beings, when you will obey the law. Day before and yesterday, if you watch Punjab, are we civilized people? I don't know how many of you go through the newspaper. Most probably no. At least social media. They are seizing the police station and releasing the culprits. Same thing was happening in Jammu Kashmir. West Bengal is nearing that. Karnataka, including Mangalore, I don't know who is guilty, who is right or wrong. They try to create problem between Hindus and Muslims. Thank God. People are good. I appreciate the people, not the politicians, not the officers. Now everybody understood. People are trying to divide us. The message is very clear, students. In your real life, you should be realistic. Simple. Just respect others, good things. Whenever bad things are happening, just neglect. With these few words, once again I congratulate the organizers. I thank all the students, all the teachers, all the principals for being a part of my happiness. And always,
And a very hearty gratification to our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesha Sir, the founder and managing trustee of GR Medical College and Karavali Group of Colleges for your indigenous presence. Thank you, sir. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Srimati Lata G. Rao Madam, the Director of GR Education Trust, for her gracious presence during this occasion and also for her support and encouragement in all our events. Thank you, ma'am, for your presence. Our sincere thanks to all our principals of Karavali Group of Colleges and GR Medical College. Thank you all. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the media persons who capture the moments and place on record. I thank the teaching fraternities and non-teaching staff for their coordination and support. And finally, I thank all the students present here for making the celebration a grand success. Thank you all.